Hello guys! As you may know, Google has released its top-class text or image-to-video model, VEO2, to the public recently. It is the best video generation AI model in the world currently and even beats OpenAI's Sora, Runaway, and other AI models. In this video, we will tell you how to use the VEO2 model for free, without any limits or even a watermark. So let's start. Go to Google AI Studio. Here, we need to log in with Gmail. Here, go to Video Gen. As you can see, this is the VEO2 model. There are many settings like number of generations, aspect ratio, and video duration. You can set these as per your needs. Let's try it. I am asking it to generate a video of a dog swimming underwater. Waiting now. It is generated. See, it is great quality and realistic. You can download it like this. Let's try an image to video also. This is a car image. Let's animate this. Waiting now. Done, video is generated. See, the car is moving. So, another great result. That's all. You can use this VEO2 model here for free, without any limits. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe.